In today's video, I'll show you how to update your user profile in Microsoft Teams. Keeping your profile photo and personal details up to date helps ensure your information is accurate and represents you properly across your workspace. Let's walk through the process step by step. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the Teams window. You'll see either your profile picture or your initials. This is where you'll begin. Click on your profile picture or initials to open the account menu. From there, click on your profile photo again or select your name. This will take you to your profile or account settings page. In this section, look for the option to edit your profile. This may appear as an edit option or a pencil icon next to your photo or personal information. Click it to start making changes. If you want to update your profile picture, upload a new image from your device. To change other personal details, simply enter the updated information in the appropriate fields. Take a moment to review everything and make sure the details are correct. When you're finished, click Save to apply your changes. There are a few important things to keep in mind. Any updates you make to your profile picture will also appear across other Microsoft 365 services, such as Outlook and SharePoint, ensuring a consistent look everywhere. Some profile details, like your name or job title, may be managed by your organization's IT or HR team. If those details need to be changed, you may need to contact them or update your information through. Also, changes may not appear instantly across all Microsoft services. It can take a little time to sync, so be patient. In some cases, clearing your Teams cache can help updates show up faster. And that's it. You now know how to update your user profile in Microsoft Teams and keep your digital presence current and professional. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.